Hi friends, let us do a very basic problem based on limits. We are given graph of a function g of x. Now here we have to find whether where the limits are applicable. Okay, g of x when limit x tends to 1. X tends to 1. So here in this graph, when x is coming from the left, then g of x is looking like 1. But when x is coming from the right, g of x is looking like it is 0. If you are coming from right, it is 0. If you are coming from left, the value of the graph, it is looking 1. So both are not same. Okay. Coming from the left, the value is here, somewhere here. Coming from the right, the value is here. So one is 1, another is 0. So the limit does not exist. See here, f of 1 is, or g of 1 is defined. G of 1 is equal to 1, but that doesn't matter. What is the limit? Limit is 1 when you are coming from the left or from the right, you should come to a common point. That is limit. Here, when you are coming from the left, you are reaching 1. When you are coming from the right, you are reaching 0. So, limit is not applicable. Here in this case, when you come from the left, 2. So, we are reaching this point. When you are coming from the right, we are reaching this point. These 2 points are close to 1. So, this limit exists. So, the actual value is 1. And g of 2 is also 1. Okay. Here, when we are coming from the left, we are getting this point. When we are coming from the right, we are getting this point. Both are close to 3. Both are close to 0. Sorry. This is y is 0, right? Both are close to 0. But g of 3 is 1. It doesn't matter. Limit is not based on what is the value of the function. The limit of a function is based on what is, as we get close to x equals to 3, how does the function behave? Right, that is the limit. It doesn't actually matter what is g of 3. So here, this limit is equal to 0. Okay, here, but g of 3 is equal to 1. That doesn't matter. But the limit is equal to 0. The fourth one, 2.5. So that means here, somewhere around 2.5, this point, right? And you are coming from the left, then you are getting this point. Coming from the right, and you are getting this point. So both points are same. And what is the point? The point is zero point 0.5. Right. This is zero point 0.5. So coming from the left, coming from the right, left and right, both are converging here. Both points are same. So the limit is zero point 0.5. Right. Very basics of limits. Hope you understood this. Thank you.